Back to my channel. And here we are still using isometric drafting to convert orthographic views into isometric view. And we want to work on this particular problem. So we are going to convert these orthographic views into isometric view. And as you can see here, these orthographic views are given in third angle projection, as it is shown here that this is the plan. And this is the front elevation, and this is the end elevation, and this is actually a left end elevation. This is actually left end elevation. So we are going to convert these views into isometric view. So make use of isometric drafting as we have it here in this AutoCAD. Now, so let's start as we have the lowest point at this particular point. So we have it here. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is that I'm going to produce this particular part of the object. So this L shape, I'm going to draw it. Then I'm going to we are going to add this to it. Okay, we are going to add this to it. This is how it looks. So in the end elevation, so you are going to see the way I'm going to do it, and then you are going to enjoy this work. So let's start. Okay. I'm going to change the color. So I need to change the color. So here we have color. Okay. So enter. So let me make use of this red color. Okay. So enter. Okay. Now, so we pick this line, and then so we construct this. So from year to year is 14. So the total from year to year is, we have 20 plus 20, that's 15 plus 5, that's 40, 60, 65. So that's 60, 65. So here we have, okay, I need to switch to isoplane top. Okay, so I pick the line again. So here we have this line, so 65, so enter. Then here we have what we have 56, so this is 56, enter. Then we have what we have 20, so this is 20, so enter. Then we have what we have 14 minus 56 minus 14, so that will give us what? That will give us 42. So here we have 42, so enter. Then so we have what we have this. So from here, so from this point to this point is 45. So here we have 45. So enter. Then here we have what we have. So 45. So then here we have what we have 14. Enter. Then we join this together. So we have this. So this is this shape that we have here now. So we have this shape here. So I'm going to, we need to make it solid, because from year to year is 45. So we are going to erect a vertical line on each of these points, vertical line or line of length 45 at each of these points. So let me make this line, let me make it, or this particular shape, let me make it just one line or one shape. Okay, so I'm going to join them together. So just type join. All right, and then so we select this line. So select this line, then right click. So it has become one, as you can see it here now. Okay, so there was a break in my network. That's what caused that. Okay, so we are going to erect a vertical line on each of these points. That is the next thing that we are going to do. So so we are going to switch to, okay, we still have it to the isoplane top. So we put off the isometric drafting. We need to put off. Then we select this line. Okay, so we erect a vertical line 45. So 45. So this is 45. Enter. So right click, enter. Okay, so then again, so we repeat it. So we repeat it. So this is 45. So 45. So enter. So we also, okay, so we repeat it again. So at this point, so we have this line, so 45, enter, sorry, okay. So we also come to this point here, so you repeat the line, so at this point, so 45, okay, so then, so you also repeat it at this point, so 45, and again, so we repeat the line, so at this point, so here we have 45, so enter. So then next that we are going to do is to connect them together. So I'll just take line here. So here we join this together with these points, okay, together with these points, then together with these points, then these points, and these points here, and then so we end it here. So we have formed that part. So I'm still going to remove some lines. So I will remove this line, this line. Okay, okay, I need to trim. So I need to trim. So let me trim it at once. So come to modify tool, then pick trim. Okay, so I'm going to trim this line. So trim this, and then I'll trim this, and then we trim this. Okay, so we have this shape now. Okay, so I believe you can see it. So now, so what we have done is that we have constructed this part of the plan, and also, so for the front elevation, we have constructed this rectangle. This is the rectangle. So this rectangle here, so this rectangle represents this rectangle. Okay, so we can see that. And then part of the front elevation is this part from here to here that we have here. So that is that's what we have here. So apart from this rectangle, so which is meant for this part of the end elevation, and then so this rectangle that we have here in the end elevation, as I said, that this is the left end elevation. So this is the rectangle that we have here. Okay. So next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to construct this line, so which is for the as part of the end elevation. We are going to construct this line. So what I'm going to do is that I need to switch to I need to put on the isometric drafting. Then I will switch to isometric left. Okay, so we have this. So now, and for the line, so it is from here to here. Okay. All right, so we have the line there. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to switch to isometric, isometric um, isometric top. So I need to draw this line. I need to draw this line from here to here. And I also need to draw this line from here to here. So here on this part, so we pick the line again. So then, so we move from here. So the width here from here to here is 15. So here we have what we have 15. So enter. Then here we have what we have. Distance from here to here. So the start from year to year is 42. So it's 40. So here we have what we have 42. So enter. Then, so for the vertical, so I need to put on, so for this vertical line that we have here, so this vertical line that we have from year to year, so I need to put off isometric drafting so that I can draw the vertical line. So, okay, so I need to so I need to put it off. So I need to repeat. I will take the line again. So coming to this point. So you have this to be. So this is 45. So enter. Okay. Then so I need to put on the isometric drafting. Then I will put off the okay. Do I need to put it off? Just let me check. So I want to connect this point together with this point. So I'm able to draw that. So that's good. All right, so we have drawn, so this rectangle that we have here on this surface, this is the rectangle. So this rectangle, okay, this rectangle, and this rectangle also, we also have it the same in this plan. And this line that we have here in the end elevation, this is the line, this is how we see it in the end elevation. So I need to remove some lines, so I'm going to remove this line, so remove, okay, so I'm going to make use of trim, so we trim it. So I'll trim this off. So this off. Okay, so I will trim this line. So trim this and also I trim this. So right click, so enter. Okay, so now what we are left with is this particular circle. So this circle, that's what we are left with. So for this particular drawing, so we have really done much. Okay, so now, so let's go and draw the circle. We need to create an isometric square on this surface for us to draw this circle. So what we need to do is that, so we need to, I'm going to switch to isometric top. Okay, so okay, no, isometric right, because this surface is the right surface, so I need to switch to that. So I will pick the line, so and then coming to this point, as we have that from here to the center of the circle, it will be 15. So this is 5 from here to here, then this is 10 from here to here. So 5 plus 10 will give us 15. So I just move, so that's 15. So 15. Then coming down here, so this is 45, so enter. So I've gotten that. Okay, so I also need to draw a line at the midpoint here. So click the line. So here we have what is the midpoint. So and then so I put the line again. So maybe I should just come down here. So so this will be 22.5. So enter then. So coming to this point. Okay, so I have it done. Okay, so we are going to create a square on this surface. So what we need to do now, so for this circle that we have, a diameter is 20, so the radius is 10. So put the line, so we come to this point, so we take what this is 10, enter, then we have 10 again, so enter, then here we have 20, so enter, then 20, so enter, then 20 again, enter, then we have what we have 10, so enter. So we have created the square. So now we can now go on and draw the isometric circle. So I'm going to remove these lines, so I don't need them. So we erase them, okay? All right, so this is the isometric circle. So now, so we come to, we pick this arc. So this particular type of arc, center, start, and end. So we come to this point. So we move to the midpoint here. So this gives us part of the circle. So we repeat the arc. So, and then we use this point. Okay, so we use this point at the center. So this is start. And so this is not going to work. So I need to, all right, so we pick it again. So this is start and that's center. So this is start and this is so end. All right, so then we are going to draw a line from here for us to complete the circle. So we join it to the midpoint here. So we repeat the line. So from here again to this point. So you repeat the line. So from here to here, okay? So to this point, so we repeat the line again. So from, so this point. All right, so then, so we pick the arc. So the same type of arc, center, start, and end. So this is center. So this is start. And here is, so end. So repeat it. So this is the center. So this is start and can't use this. So I'll repeat it. Okay. So this is center and this is start and I need to zoom it so that I can see it. Okay. So pick the arc. So this is center. So this is start and all right, so I'll repeat it. So this is center. So this is start. Um, okay. Starts. Um, where is center? Starts. Okay, so we get it done. So we shall get it done. I need to pick the arc directly again. Okay. All right, so it ends there. Okay. All right, so we have constructed the circle. So I need to remove these lines. All right, so we erase them. So all right, so this is what we have, and this is how it's going to look. So as simple as I've done it here. So let's join the arcs together for us to just have one circle. So we join. All right, so we select the four arcs. So enter. Okay, so we have the circle here. So this is how this isometric circle is how it should look. So we have converted this orthographic views into isometric objects as simple as I've done it here. So thank you and keep on practicing. God bless you.